Hi, this is Amber at RealCraft, and today I'm going to explain door inswing, outswing, and handing terminology. Now, this terminology can be kind of confusing because not every company uses the same terminology to describe the same thing. So when you order a door from us, this is how to figure out inswing, outswing, and door handing. So for door handing, you're going to stand in the opening where the door is going to go with your back to where the hinges are meant to be. And then you're going to pretend that your arms are the door. So if you want the door to open to your right from this position, then it's a right-hand door. Likewise, if you want your door to open to your left, it's a left-hand door. So that's the most important thing to know when you're figuring out door handing. Inswing, outswing is a little more intuitive. Starting off with entry doors or exterior doors, like the front door to your house, it's pretty simple. You just want to imagine when you're standing inside the house, do you want the door to swing in towards the house or out to the outside? Now I should point out that if you choose an outswing door, one that swings out to the outside, you're going to need to pick hinges that can stand up to the elements because the hinges are going to be on the outside of your house. So you're going to need stainless steel or brass, a material that's weatherproof. If you have an inswing exterior door, that won't matter. You can pick hinges in basically any material you want. Now for an interior door, the simplest way to figure it out is to stand in the room where the door is going to go and imagine, do you want it to swing in towards you or out towards the hallway? So if you're getting a door for your bedroom, for instance, stand in your bedroom and think to yourself, do I want it to swing in towards me or out into the hallway? All right, so to tie everything together, this door over here is a left-hand inswing door. So when I stand with my back to its hinges, it opens to my left and it swings into the conference room. So it's an inswing door. So that's how to figure out door handing and inswing, outswing. If you have any other questions about door terminology, or you have another word you don't understand you'd like us to explain, let us know in the comments. Thanks.